Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to install VirtualBox. This is the logo of the VirtualBox. Let me tell you something about VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a tool that allow you to run multiple operating system in a single machine. So let's go ahead and download the virtual machine. VirtualBox software. So the first step is to download VirtualBox from the official website. You just need to type like virtualbox.org. Hit enter. Okay, so now you need to click on this download VirtualBox. You can click here as well as you can click here. Both are same link. You can see here. So let me click here. Once you click here, it will give you a lot of options for which operating system you like to install. So it support Linux, Mac, Solaris, and Windows. So currently I'm using Windows operating system. So I'm going to click here. It is downloading. In the meantime, I would like to tell you something more about this VirtualBox. Whether you are a developer, IT professional, or just curious about the about the experimenting with different operating system, VirtualBox is very useful for this. So the download is completed. Once the download is complete, you can directly run this installer and then follow the steps on the screens. So I'm going to click here. Once you click, wait for a second, it asking for the admin. So I have provided the admin access now. Okay, here you need to click on next. It's just showing you like which version of the VirtualBox is going to install in your operating system. Just click on next. So this part is no longer is required. You can minimize these things. Okay, so here are the options. There is no such. Okay, so it's going in the default directory, C drive, program files, Oracle, and VirtualBox. You can browse and then give the path where you like to install, and the version currently required to 11 MB of your hard drive. So let's go ahead and then click on next. It's all looking good, and installing the Oracle VM virtual machine 7.0.16 networking feature will reset your network connection, temporarily disable you from the network. Proceed for installation. Yes. Install the Oracle 3.7.0.16 Python binding required to Python Go package with 32 binding. Install the first one. Continue installing Oracle MSN Python binding now. You need to be set in manually later and install. It asking it required some Python binding packages. Let me install this also. Click on install. Wait for a couple of minutes. Can fast forward. Okay, now it saying installation is complete. Click the finish button to exit the wizard. So click on finish. This has been installed. Most probably it will open automatically, but let's see. I think it will not open automatically. I need to it's open but showing in a different location. Okay, yeah, you can see this is the first interface of the VirtualBox, and you can see this is the main window which displays the virtual machine manager box, and it's contained two sections. If you can see here, is the left and right. Is the file, machine, these are the things. So on the left side, this one, this is actually a navigation panel where you can manage your virtual machines. And on the right side you will see the information about the selected virtual machine. Once you install the operating system image, it will show you here. And you will get an option to restart, reboot, and everything, and all the setting will be shown on this right hand side. And that's all. So today I have successfully installed VirtualBox on my computer, and in the next part uh, I will explore how to create and manage virtual machines within VirtualBox. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.